Hey Whole30 friends, this is the mayo that I make. I was just going to do a quick run through of how I do it. This is the cup that came with my Cuisinart Immersion blender. This is 1 1/4 cup of oil. I used half and half actually because I didn't have enough of the extra light olive oil. I used half and half extra light olive oil and then some avocado oil. I love the avocado oil. So there's 1 1/4 cups in here total. And then I'm going to use 1 1/2 of a teaspoon of the sea salt, 1 egg. It's just right straight out of the refrigerator. This I got at Costco. It's 100% organic lemon juice, and it's got about 40 lemons in every bottle. I love this stuff. It was cheap, which is even better. It's 1 tablespoon of that. And then we live in Michigan, so we have Meyer here, and it's Meyer Organics Dijon mustard. It's compliant. It has water, organic mustard seeds, organic vinegar, salt, organic turmeric, and organic spices. And we do about a half of a teaspoon to that. You can do that to taste if you want more than that. If you don't, that works too. And then I stick the Immersion blender straight down to the bottom, and I let it mix for about 15 seconds, and then I'll slowly pull it up. I just mix it around a little bit until it's mixed well. And then when I'm done, I just take a spoon and finish mixing it. So if there's any little bits of oil or anything that I didn't get mixed in, I'll do that. Just grab a spoon and then just that's it. Yummy, really thick, nice mayonnaise. Give it a whirl. Thanks.
Wait, you haven't seen the best part yet. Here are some amazing offers and specials available for one time only. You can't afford to miss it.